Hey, what is going on? It is Sunday, April 3rd, 2022, and yeah, so I'm ready to do another Leetcode problem. Welcome to Coding with Chef. It really helps if you get into my channel, if you like my channel, if you like these videos, please like, subscribe, comment in the link below. It helps the algorithm. I feel like I'm reciting a script to do that, but hey, that's kind of what the script says. So, yeah, so let's get on with it. I am excited to go on to this easy problem again. I'm doing an easy problem because it's the weekend, and yeah, I've got a lot of other stuff to tackle today. So, yeah, we can just get into it and see how it goes. It should be pretty straightforward. The problem, it looks like it will be a popular one, but it's not. I think the numbers that are in the 2000s at this point we're in the stage of popularity that it's a more recent problem, so it's not the most popular. There's thousands of problems on Leetcode now, I guess, and I think that's what the number is for in the order. So anyway, let's get to it. The problem is called kth distinct string in an array. So a distinct string is a string that is present only once in an array. Given an array of strings arr and an integer k, return the kth distinct string present in array. If there are fewer than k distinct strings, return an empty string. Note that the strings are considered in the order in which they appear in the array. Okay, so this should be pretty straightforward. Basically, we just count the number of the strings, and that should be easily counted for by a map, data structure, or dictionary. And then we just go through the distinct strings and find out, based on our map, which one comes in what order, based on the parameter k, the kth distinct string. And if we don't get up to k distinct strings, we just return the empty string. So this is kind of like a little function that you'd find probably in an NPM library from years ago, but basically, so this map is the map we're going to be using to get this, to keep the count of the strings. Okay, right, a frequency map. So now get the count of the strings. String map dot put. Okay, so yeah. By the way, the get or default, I really like get or default. It saves a few lines. Compute and absent, if absent, is also good, but I'm just used to get or default. So get or default will leave a 0 there, and all in one line. You can add a 0 key if it's not present, right? And add 1 to it to show that it is the first time that it was indicated, or first time that was seen in the array if it wasn't present. So, and then, so that's getting the frequency count. String hash map and a hash set are pretty similar, but yeah, I always mix up the two when I'm using them in code. But hash map is pretty much like your standard dictionary. So what I want to do is, if the count is equal to 1, if I've seen it only once, that so far after iterating through the array, it's a distinct string. So if I've seen the value of the array once, then if k equals 0, return arr of I. Let's actually do this. Yeah, so make it more Java friendly. Just call it string, since we don't need the index. right? Return is empty, because at this point, if we've gone through all the strings and k is still greater than 0, which it would be at this point, then there's that return condition. And let's see. Okay, that was accepted. Alright, cool. And let's try it one more time. Let's try it with the whole thing. Okay, cool. So that was pretty fast. Okay, so that was that solution. I think that an optimization might be somehow to possibly combine the frequency counting and the string manipulation, or the string order counting, but that's might be a little more complicated and might not be necessary to get the point across. So yeah, that's my video for today, a really short one. If you like this again, please follow my channel, and I'll see you tomorrow. Oh, one other thing I forgot to mention, I always forget to mention this. The runtime complexity is AR of strings, right? Or the length of the strings, right? O of the length of the strings, and the map, the space complexity is O of the amount of the number of strings that you have. So O of AR of dot length as well, right? Because the map can have at most the number of every string in the map could be distinct at that point. Okay, so yep, that's it. I'll see you around.